SoftBank just made a bold move that could reshape America's AI landscape. Reports say the Japanese tech giant is buying Foxconn's electric vehicle plant in Ohio, not to build cars, but to supercharge its $500 billion Stargate AI infrastructure project. This isn't just another data center story. Stargate was first announced by U.S. President Donald Trump back in January as a private sector bet to fuel AI growth across the country, backed by SoftBank, OpenAI, and Oracle. But here's the twist. SoftBank has struggled to put the financial puzzle together. That's where Foxconn came in. The Apple supplier struck a deal to sell its Ohio site, potentially transforming it into a massive AI data hub. The stakes are enormous. The Stargate project is expected to generate more than 100,000 jobs across the U.S., a signal that AI isn't just about algorithms and models. It's about building real-world infrastructure at unprecedented scale. If you're following how AI is reshaping industries, this is one of the biggest plays yet. SoftBank declined to comment, and Foxconn didn't respond immediately, but Bloomberg's reporting points to a high-stakes pivot, turning an EV factory into an AI nerve center. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this project will actually deliver on its promise? And if you want to keep going deeper, watch the related video in the corner. Big shifts are happening. Make sure you don't miss them.